Most people assume that financial stability begins the moment life becomes comfortable. A steady paycheck arrives every month, bills are paid on time, weekends become predictable, and the feeling of security slowly replaces the uncertainty of earlier years. From the outside, this looks like success. Yet, comfort often changes the way people think, long before it changes their financial position. Psychologists describe this as adaptation. Once a higher standard of living becomes normal, it no longer feels like a reward. A larger apartment, a newer car, frequent food deliveries, and upgraded subscriptions gradually become everyday expectations instead of occasional treats. Income increases, but so do recurring expenses, leaving little room for long-term wealth building. The mathematics behind this pattern is surprisingly simple. Imagine receiving a salary increase of 20% while your monthly spending quietly rises by nearly the same amount. Although your income is higher than before, your savings rate remains almost unchanged. Over many years, that small difference can significantly affect how much capital is available for investing, emergencies, education, or future opportunities. The broader economic system reinforces this cycle because nearly every advertisement, product launch, and financing option encourages immediate consumption rather than delayed ownership. Comfort becomes something to maintain instead of something to build from, and financial progress slows without feeling like anything has gone wrong. Breaking this pattern does not require rejecting comfort or living without enjoyment. It begins by treating every increase in income as a decision rather than a permission slip to spend more. When expenses grow more slowly than earnings, the gap becomes a resource that can strengthen financial resilience over time. The middle-class comfort trap is rarely dramatic. It is quiet, gradual, and easy to overlook because life appears stable. Yet many lasting financial outcomes are shaped not by income alone, but by the small choices made after comfort finally arrives.